Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I've got my two children with me today for this quick silver unboxing. Say hi, Nuggie.
Hi.
Say hi, Princess.
Hi.
All right, so let's see what's inside. Coming up next. Okay guys, we're back. So we got the package open from Apmex. And Princess, why don't you show them what we got?
Okay. We have that.
What are those, Nuggie?
They are quarters.
90% silver quarters. Hey, can you show the camera the label?
Yeah.
Just like that. There you go. All right, so 90% silver coins, $10 face roll from Apmex, and this was their random roll. I wasn't sure what I was going to get, dimes or quarters. So I also wanted to show you real quick. The kids got their report cards and they did pretty good. So we've got their coin boxes. This is the stack for Princess Stacker, and this is for the Gold Nugget himself. So I'm going to go ahead and open these and pull them to the side. And Nuggie, real quick, why don't you show them what you got?
So I've got this 99.9% silver eagle that I got when I lost my first tooth from the tooth fairy.
That's awesome. Why don't you show what you've got, Princess? You got to put it in front of the camera.
This is my silver eagle.
Yes, it is. That's beautiful.
And what's that?
It's the same thing. That's Lady Liberty.
This is Lady Liberty.
Good job.
I go next again?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, I think this is from the tooth fairy.
Why don't you show them what you got?
This from the tooth fairy?
Go ahead. Let Nuggie go.
This is my Philharmonic that my dad gave me. It's pretty shiny.
That's an awesome silver coin, dude.
Dad, is it circulated or not?
They're all, well, that one's uncirculated. Yes, buddy. Yes.
I have the eagle and that, and then the eagle and that.
Can you show them your $50,
Eagle.
Princess?
I have this one, the one that I just showed you, but I have the same one, but they're different pictures.
Here you go. Let's put it in front of the camera.
Eagle.
Got a quarter.
And eagle.
Yeah.
Lady Liberty and Lady Liberty.
That's a quarter you got at the Orlando Fun Coin Show.
Oh, yes.
That's your Mercury dimes.
I have 3 Mercury dimes.
Yeah, let it focus. There you go.
Yeah.
Nuggie, you want to show him your quarter?
This is my quarter me and my dad got for me at the Orlando Fun Coin Show.
Why don't you show him your $50 in dimes too, Nuggie?
Oh.
Oh, that's Susan B. Anthony.
I have Susan B. Anthony.
That's right. You got that from your grandpa. No, that's a bicentennial quarter. Mm-hmm.
What's that?
That one.
What's that one? 1963 $50.
Who's that? Is that Benjamin Franklin?
Yeah.
Did we see him at the coin show?
Oh yeah, we did.
That's right.
Who's that?
That's the dime, remember? That's the dime Daddy found in the coin roll hunting from
This
Cuba.
This is the dime that my dad found from Cuba.
That's right. Can you put that one in your box?
I showed them all of mine.
Okay, and here you go, Princess. Let's count these. Put your hand out. Put your hand out in front of the camera. This is for a great report card. Those are 90% silver dimes.
Nice.
Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more. 10 silver dimes. And why don't you put those in your bag, okay?
I have 10 silver dimes.
Keep up the good work.
I have 13 silver dimes.
I know. You got a stack going.
Gonna be rich.
Mm-hmm. All right, buddy. Why don't you go ahead and put your hand out now?
Okay, hold up.
All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another A on a roll. Good job. Keep it up, buddy. So how many silver dimes do you have now?
12.
All right. Well, It is bedtime. We've got some more silver to add to the stack. Thank you, Apmex, for the 24-hour coupon. And go ahead. That's okay to drop those. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Hopefully you guys are planning for your future. And I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll talk to you next time.
Bye.
Bye.